Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you the functionalities of project 3 from the CS50 web programming uh, with Python and JavaScript course. And it is about to design a front end for an email client that makes API calls to send and receive emails. Let's begin with the first requirement. User should be able to send a mail to any other user that have been logged in and registered that have been registered to this website. This user, let's say this user have is registered is in this website subject username. What is the username of yeah, it's your username? Uh, so send. Wow. And we can notice that the send box is directly loaded after the mail have been sent to the user. And I have been registered. I registered this user to another browser, and if I click on inbox, I can see the mail that I just sent, username. So as next, the user is also it is also for the user able to see the inbox view, the sent view, and the archive view. And by this, we can notice that the mails that have been read have a gray background, and the mail that have not been read have a white background like this one. And each mail item is displayed on its own box, and we have the recipient, um, the subject, and the timestamp. So now to view an email, I just have to click on the mail I want to see, like this one or another one, which is quite easy. And yeah, so and and the user is also it is for the user possible to archive a mail from an inbox and to unarchive a mail from the archive box. In the sandbox, you cannot archive any mail. It is not possible. So let's archive this mail. Let's click on it, and here you go. You can see that the mail is not. We can see that the mail is not here in this box anymore. But if I go to the archive view, I can see the mail I just archived. And after I've archived a mail, the inbox view is loaded. And archive likewise on archive a mail. Let's just click on this mail on archive, and here you go. The email have been unarchived, and this you can now see it in the inbox view. So now I want to reply to this mail, and I just have to click on it to reply, and the compose view is loaded, and it is pre-filled with the required information like the recipient, the subject reply to username, and the the body message. What is your username on Netflix? My username is bar sent. Yeah, and then let's check it out. Let's check it out. Here, not here. Inbox view. There you go. Reply username. You can see my username is bar, and yeah, that is the mail I just sent. So thank you for watching this video, and see you soon.